Kira igora na mo? So we are done buying all of their school supplies to be used this coming school semester. So this is all. Ata. Cashier. Bita. Halin niya dito. Lakon kanin to. Uli lakita. Na, uli na tama. So we're done buying all of their school supplies. So, asa mo tapadong?
Jollibee. No, please.
Jollibee. So we're going to eat Jollibee. So, Jollibee is sponsored by Kim Yong Sunim. So, what will you say? Kim Yong Sunim.
Kim Yong Sunim.
Kamsahamnida. And of course, to your one and only sponsor. Who is your sponsor?
Kim Sang Hunim.
Masga.
Kim Sang Hunim. Kamsahamnida.
Kamsahamnida.